Would you like to know how to start an online business that brings profit in 2023? Keep watching.
First of all, find and research your niche. Find a lucrative target market using tools like Google Trends. Secondly, decide on your business model. Doing so will help answer three essential questions: what the target market is, what kind of value the company can offer, and how much money it'll cost to run the business. Thirdly, build your website. Start by registering a domain name, then decide on a website building platform. There are two main platforms to choose from: hosted, like Xero, Wix, and Shopify, or self-hosted, where you choose a web hosting provider and create a website using content management system like WordPress. And lastly, market your business. You can do that by creating SEO-friendly content, building a social media presence, or utilizing email marketing.
Now go ahead and begin your online business journey today.